Welcome back to Design Guy. Want to see how easy it is to group your layers for faster editing? Click Create, then select Custom Size. Choose any size you want before proceeding. Look for shapes and elements, then drag them down here to create more shapes in this area. Select Shapes, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate them quickly. Arrange the elements on your screen. You can also change the color of the elements this way. Select all objects, click Group, then drag the grouped image as needed. Ungroup the objects, click Position, open Layers, select the items, then press Ctrl to group them again within the Layers panel. Control-click the images or elements you want to select. Press Ctrl plus G to group selected items. Group the 4 selected elements from the Layers panel now. That's how to use this layer when there are many elements present in the workspace. I have an element here placed in front of this shape that I want to adjust. Select the elements from the Layers panel, then group them to organize your design efficiently. Select your layers, then press Ctrl plus G to group them. Drag these two elements out without affecting this layer below. To group elements in layers, click Share, select Load, increase size for better quality, then click Download. Now you know how to group layers in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips.